We are at Villa Kami right now, another finished villa in Tampah Hills, where we can't wait to welcome you to stay. So at the moment we are over 370 people working on the mountain, including office staff and construction workers. So we're gonna go and have a look on a few of our constructions. We are back at House of Herring, and I'm standing in the pool where we have the lap section. And then we have those nice wide stairs going up to the shallow part under roof. This is super nice with this house. The temperature in this area will be amazing. And of course you have the infinity over the ocean. Back here we have this super nice wall with the special architecture pattern. And we have the Palimanan stone being installed right now in the social area and the kitchen and the dining. And when we're walking into the kitchen, we have this also very nice architectural element with the squared concrete walls and signature G-Fab, Gary felt. Here we can have a little look through the kitchen out what's happening. We are up at the master bathroom 1, and you have the toilet, shower, and a huge skylight here, and a planter box garden behind. And you're walking through this nice walk-in closet into this master bedroom, and it's fantastic. So again, this really nice architectural rough concrete with the pattern. And then on the other side, a polished concrete wall. Here I'm standing at the balcony that's in front of all the 4 bedrooms. And here you have this massive foyer with a high ceiling, and the entrance is on the other side. So this is the view you'll get when you're walking into the villa. We are standing above Villa Nabu, and we have the guest unit here to the left, and we're working with the structure up to the parking that will be up here. And the main villa is down here, and we are working with the roof structure down in our workshop. So Matt is responsible for the roof here, and we will just have a look and see his progress in the workshop.
We're in the workshop looking at the CNC machine that we're using to cut the CNC parts for Villa Nabu's roof. All these parts are designed on my laptop or my computer, and they're dimensionally accurate within ½ millimeter. All right, so the plates go from the CNC machine, they get angle ground on the floor, and then they come over to this table to have all the tabs folded up so that we can screw the timber in next. So the plates go from the CNC steel workshop, and then we take them around the back. We epoxy coat these plates. Now the epoxy coating stops these from rusting during the life of the product, but then we assemble each plate about 1 meter spacing, which then allows us to accurately, with this scaffolding, attach the timber and give a very precise finished roof. We will be putting a screw in every 20 centimeters on the whole roof, which makes it incredibly strong. And overall, the whole roof has 21,000 screws.
Here we're at a new villa site. It's Villa Cluarga. Cluarga means family in Indonesian. It's designed by Hadiprana. And we have done the earthwork here, and we are pouring the footers for the lower foundation. And I look forward to show you more from this very soon. We are at Villa TOV, also a new started construction. It's designed by Hadiprana, and you'll have the entrance coming here, and then you turn out and parking out here. This villa is very clever designed through this steep topography. So you have different villa units, basically. You have one social area, and you have bedroom units, and then you have a yoga center, and then the parking and a little guest unit under it. So this villa has a lot of very nice elements, and I'm looking forward to see this come to life. We are now at Villa Wyse, and this will be the entrance ramp. So we have done a big structure. This will lead you down into the garage to the left, and then you have the main building in front here. Let's go down and have a look. So we have the entrance ramp here, looks beautiful, and we're gonna end up at the garage down here. Permisi Pak?
Yeah.
Makasih. So this is gonna be the carport, and then we have the main house down here. So we have started with the foundation and the footers in the bottom, and we have poured the first slab on, I think it is a water tank. And yeah, I can't wait to the next update and show you the progress from here.